Don't worry if you don't have the earphone for your mobile. We can make our earphone by using this homeopathic bottle, and I prepared that in this way. You can see we have this insulated copper wire. Just rotate this copper wire, just wrap it, take one end out and wrap it at the end of the bottle. Twenty to 30 turn we can use here, or some more turn. And now take this tape and this is tape here, so that this winding will be stable. Now these two ends I will use to connect as our earphone to my mobile system, and for this I will attach these two wires to a pin. So this will be in this form. This is the coil, and this coil, the end of the coil is connected to this wire, and there is a pin I connected here which can go easily in the mobile. It can connect to the mobile. So now I have these magnet piece. There are two magnets. We can use one or two. These are two magnets. I am putting separate here. These are two magnets, and now I am putting here in this way. If you will listen, I am switching on the music. This is a Gayatri mantra. So no sound is coming, there is no any sound, but as we put this magnet inside this bottle, I am just able to listen the sound. If I put one more magnet, then it is coming some louder sound. This we can also close this bottle, and our earphone is ready. It is I am able to listen, and very clear sound there is coming. Some more study we can do regarding the sound, that when we put this magnet, one magnet here and one magnet here in such a way, so this system suppress the vibration. How it is going, because these signals are coming from the mobile, the sound signals are coming from the mobile. These are we can say time varying alternating signals are there in the coil, so they are making N and S pole continuously, and when the pole of magnet comes, N pole, same poles come, they repel, and when opposite poles come, when opposite pole interact, then they attract. So in this way there is a vibration in the system, and these vibrations are nothing but the sound which signals are coming here. But in this way, when I put these two in such a way, then very less sound is coming, very slow. This is because of the vibrations are just suppressed by these two magnets stuck together. And now if I put in this way here, then the sound comes again. So this is our speaker. I also tried to make my own recording system, for which I use this head. This is a head, this is a coil wounded on a iron. Some iron pieces are there, and two are coming from here. So this I make in the form of a head. There is an air gap, and this is we can consider it a core of the magnet. These are the two wires. These wire I just connected to this head I am using for playing and recording, both purposes. So for that I connected these two end of this coil to our tape recorder in such a way that and I used the microphone of the tape recorder for recording system. And for recording media, first I used this wire, steel wire, but I got failed because nothing was there, no recording was there. Then I used this tape. This is the steel tape that I also used, but it was also not successful. Then another idea came in my mind that I used a thread. So I used the thread. This is normal thread, sewing thread, and I just prepared a paste, iron powder paste. This is iron powder paste, and I put this paste on the wire, on the thread, and I make this magnetic. So in this way I prepared all this thread magnetic, and then I try to record. This you can see, this is a magnetic thread, not ordinary thread. For checking this whether it is properly magnetic or not, you can see this is the magnet, and this is just stucking. So this I used for recording system, and I tried to record, but I cannot say that properly I recorded, but I got some better experience as compared to these two recording methods. I also used these three things in my cassette, in the tape recorder, old tape recorder cassette, replacing the plastic of the cassette and putting these as a recording media. Thank you.